Hey guys, it's Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and I have Camille Roskelley of Thimble Blossoms, and she is going to tell you all about her mini quilts. So, when did you start designing mini quilts?
So years ago, I was getting my quilts ready for quilt market, and I made all of these big quilts, and I realized that I had a very small space to show these quilts, and I was a little bit worried because I'd spent so much time on them, and I wanted to make sure people could see them. So I finished up my last quilt and immediately took the scraps from that and started making a miniature version of it. And my husband likes to tell the story that he walked in my sewing room and I was sitting there sewing the tiniest little pieces. And I kind of looked like I was a little crazy, and he's like, are you okay? Because here I'm sewing with these half-inch pieces of fabric. But it was the beginning of my mini obsession. And I started with my puddle jumping mini and kind of went from there. I just have kind of shrunk down all my favorite quilts, and I hang them all on the wall in my sewing room, which is a fun way to display a lot of your favorite quilts.
And she just puts them in with regular clear thumbtacks. So if you want to do that at home, you can do that.
That is the number one question I get on Instagram. How do I hang my minis? With these. And sometimes a little bit of painter's tape on the bottom corners will help them lay flat on the wall too.
Awesome. Well, you can find all of her mini patterns at the Fat Quarter Shop.